Alright, so these are non-words. So I want you to write the non-word that I say. Biff. 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 So here's how that might be spelled. Biff. B-I-F. Biff. B-I-F. Biff. Now write shad. 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 So here's how shad might be spelled. Shad. Sh-a-d. Shad. Sh-a-d. Shad. Now write gad. 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 Here's how that might be spelled. Gad. G-A-D. Gad. G-A-D. Gad. Now write ras. 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 And here's how ras might be spelled. Ras. S. Ras. S. Ras. Now write, excuse me, write mosh. 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 And here's how that might be spelled. Mosh. Sh. Mosh. Sh. Mosh. Now write zick. 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 So here's how zick might be spelled. So you might have z, I, k, zick. Z, I, k, zick. Now write for me pab. 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 So we got pab. P-a-b. Pab. P-a-b. Pab. Now I'd like you to write vot. 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 So here's how vot might be spelled. V-a-t. Vot. V-a-t. Vot. Now write for me Lin. 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 So we'd have potentially Lin. L. I. N. Lin. L. I. N. Lin. And the last word I'll have you write is viz. 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 And that might look something like this. Viz. V. I. Z. Viz. V. I. Z. Viz.